It's a narrow-body aircraft of high wing, T-tail configuration, medium-weight turbulence category, and Bravo approach category. Range IFR of 600 nautical miles that allows to cover the whole Colombian territory. It corresponds to regulatory and operational considerations. 1,000 nautical miles, equivalent to 260 minutes of autonomy in long-range status, reduced by 60 minutes of alternate airport diversion, and 45 minutes of holding. Maximum operating speed of 250 knots of indicated airspeed, equivalent to a Mach maximum operating speed of 0.55. Service ceiling or maximum operating altitude of 25,000 feet. 4,800 shaft horsepower of total thrust by both engines. Transport certified category. Maneuvering limit load factors at clean configuration, -1 to 2.5 g. And with flaps or gear extended, 0 to 2 g. Ready for day and night operations, VFR, and IFR. Approved flight in icing conditions. Reverse thrust taxi, with single or twin engine. 2 pilots as minimum flight crew. 48 passengers. ETOPS 120. 2,250 kilograms of total quantity of usable fuel in each tank, for a total of 4,500 kilograms. Introducing this module, these are the 4 chief content segments. Powerplant. Dimensional characteristics. Operating speeds. Flight deck overview. The engine is a Pratt & Whitney 127 Echo that comprises 3 concentric shafts of spools. The first one is the shaft of the high-pressure spool, driving the high-pressure turbine and the high-pressure compressor. It is indicated by the high-pressure spool rotational speed instrument. The shaft of the low-pressure spool is composed by the low-pressure turbine and the low-pressure compressor. The power shaft comprises 2 power-free turbines. These drive the propeller through the reduction gearbox, which is designed to reduce the rotational speed from about 30,000 rpm at the turbine to 1,000 rpm at the propeller. It is indicated by the propeller rotational speed gauge. N indicates the rotational speed of the propeller, high-pressure spool, and low-pressure spool. Power is the ratio of torque to the propeller rotation speed. For the same power, if torque increases, rotational speed of the propeller decreases, and vice versa. In shaft horsepower, there are specified 5 powers of the engine. Reserve takeoff is the maximum power, used in case of an engine flame out during takeoff or go around. Maximum continuous takeoff power represents the 90% of RTO. Climb. Cruise. Engine parameters are monitored through the gauges installed at the central panel. Torque. Rotational speed of the propeller, high pressure and low pressure spools, and inter-turbine temperature. Power setting is characterized by constant power lever and condition lever positions. The power adapted to the flight phase is selected through a power management selector and computed by an engine electronic control. The propeller is a Hamilton's Unstrand 6-blade variable pitch propeller, optimized to distribute vibrations for noise reducing. It has a clockwise rotation looking forward, 1200 rpm of 100% of speed rotation, 3.93 meters of diameter, and 180 kilograms of total weight. It is driven by a system that is protected against low pitch angle in flight, overspeed, and hydraulic pressure loss. The system comprises an integral connection between condition levers, power management selector, and power levers, that with the propeller interface unit, propeller electronic control, and propeller valve module, to ensure the hydromechanically change of pitch angle through the governor. The right-hand propeller reduction gearbox is provided with a brake, to be used on the ground for hotel mode operation.